Welcome to the eternal current.
It's like touching the sky underwater. It's beautiful. It's loud.
Feels like the sea is breathing.
It's the current. We're close.
I feel tingly. Feels like the sea is breathing.
It's the current. We're close.
I feel tingly.
Oh, great. Another glowing death trap. Adventures wait.
Keepers of light, your journey nears its end. Who's there? The current itself! It's alive!
You've restored balance, but not destiny.
We're ready to finish what we started.
It's unstable again!
It's turning spooky. Of course you were. We'll finish this together.
You thought you destroyed me, Alec, but I was part of the current all along.
We can't destroy him. We have to free him.
Free the bad guy?
Even darkness deserves peace.
He's trying to consume both energies! It's working! The current is stabilizing!
Good. Maybe we can go home now. Light and shadow in harmony. That's what it always meant. Light and shadow in harmony. Oh, that's what it always meant.
You've done what even time forgot! Restored unity! Yay, us!
I feel powerful.
I feel tired.
I feel at peace. I feel home.
So, what happens now?
Now you return, but each of you carries my essence, Nyoi. A spark of the current.
What's wrong?
Nothing, just this time, I'm actually proud of us. It's like a dream.
Goodbye, magic!
Hello, nap time.
It's returning to the ocean's heart.
Then the balance will live forever. No matter what happens next, we'll always be part of the sea.
So, what happens now?
Now you return, but each of you carries my essence for depth. A spark of the current.
We're almost home. Look at it shine!
The structural integrity of the dome looks good from here.
Oh, joy. We did it! Together!